Hello racers and welcome to new video. In this video I will show you how cheap OBD adapter from AliExpress works on smart Roadster. Our OBD port is situated below steering wheel. We have to remove plastic cover first. There are two clips that hold the cover. After that you will see small cover on OBD port and you can open it. Now when we finally found out our OBD port, we can connect OBD adapter from AliExpress. You will notice different lights showing on adapter. Red light means that power is on, even our ignition is off. The blinking lights means that synchronization is in progress. You can close the cover if you want to go for a ride with connected OBD adapter to read different data. Just notice that readings will have some delay, as for communication we use Bluetooth connection. To use OBD adapter you have to download proper application from Google Play Store. In my case I will use Torque application. It is free to use but limited for some data readings. Later on you can upgrade it to the Pro version, which gives you more features. For synchronization, turn car key to position 1, turn on Bluetooth and GPS on your mobile phone. Once synchronization is done, you can start the car. So we are in app now and we are connected to car's ECU. You will notice slight delay, and that is because cover below steering wheel is closed and OBD and mobile phone have bad connection in that way. We are able to check fault codes on this app. You will be able to read and clear some codes, but if you have, for example, airbag light and you want to clear that fault, you won't be able to do it with this adapter. Some of interesting features that you can find in these applications are dyno and horsepower or torque reading, transmission temperatures, 0 to 100 readings, CO2 emission readout. You can customize dashboard and profile for different cars. You can record your journey using the track recorder plugin with on-screen OBD data overlay. You have massive fault code database for lookout of fault codes from different manufacturers and how to fix some of them. You have head-up display, compass, GPS speedometer. You have turbo boost features. You have alarms and warnings. For example, if your coolant temperature go over 120 degrees while driving, you will get voice overlay. You have MPG, graph data. You can share all the screenshots to different social media, and you can install this application on different devices like tablet and using while you are driving to record yourself, for example on track day. And now I will show you how it looks. Track recorder plugin is like a dash cam, but with overlay of gauges that you want to see, like speed, RPMs, turbo boost, G-force and others. And for the end, one important thing is that you need to disconnect your OBD adapter, because it will drain your battery over some time if you left it. That is it for this video. I will left product link in the description if you would like to order one. Until next video, I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy and drive safe.